We're live.
We are.
Next round. Hey everybody. My name's Natalie Cinelli. I'm a co-owner of Spaces.Collective. Who are you? Hey everybody, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal Page Signature with my lovely wife, Natalie Cinelli. Not Cinelli, Cinelli. It's funny, growing up, we were always Cinelli growing up, and then now we're Cinelli. What's the difference?
That's gonna be true.
Okay, well that's a topic for a different day. Anyway, so today we have yet another interesting topic. Now there's always talk when we talk about staging. We always want to have everything nice and light and bright. It'll really showcase your house very well. You recently, well maybe not recently, a few months back, had a property which had zero natural light. Can you explain A, what that looks like, and B, how did you make that a Spaces Collective masterpiece?
Well, yeah, it was a challenge.
So explain the space.
Okay, so it was a one-bedroom condo, and it was an older build, probably from the 80s, of these like meandering main, like ground level condos downtown. There was one skylight, and everything else was pretty much fluorescent lighting. So we were very lucky that it had been renovated, and it was light flooring and light walls, which was a huge factor. So sometimes we'll walk into homes that, maybe they don't have, the best light, natural or otherwise, but they'll have the dark espresso floors, darker kitchens, darker walls. I find those actually more challenging than places that don't. I mean, it's the only one we've ever come across that didn't have a window, but anyhow. What we did in that particular instance, and also it translates to the darker ones as well, we try to lift everything and make it as light as possible using...
What do you mean that lift? Like pull things off the floor?
He interrupted me as I was about to explain it. So by lifting, I mean we want to visually make it light. So we want to use light furniture, both in visual weight, so we're not using heavy chunky things. We're using things that might be a little bit more leggy, like chairs that don't have like thick chunker legs, or like a thick chunky coffee table. We might use something that has
sorry.
We're going to use light pillows. We're going to use like a cream colored couch. We're going to make sure we have a nice light colored rug, lighter woods to really like lift the space visually.
So you're not suspending things from the ceiling to lift things off the floor like a swing, like an adult swing or something.
Did I do it?
So, did it work?
It worked. It sold in like 3 days. It's fantastic.
Sorry, I was getting a phone call on my watch, and I hope it didn't disturb the recording. It sounds like it's still recording. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
cool.
I'm not doing this another time.
Well, you want to talk about lifts and adult swings, and Ariana talking about other adult things we found in closets when people are opening and closing deals. And
that's a whole other topic.
Yeah, we might get into that in a second. Anyway, guys, thanks again. So we're trying to lift properties. If you don't have light, make it nice and light, fluffy, airy, leggy, lifts, all that fun stuff.
Right.
Bright. Great. I think I got it. That's why I'm not a stager. All right, now, if somebody wants to get in touch with you, what's the best way of doing that?
You can shoot us a DM on Instagram at Spaces.Collective.
And you can message me here if you have any topics you want for us to discuss.
Please send them.
Please send them. Yeah, we're ready. We were just talking with Elise and Ariana and Natalie. We were just sitting here. We're like, every topic that we're coming up with, we've pretty much discussed most of them. So we are kind of running out of topics. We're going with a lot of stuff we go with in every kind of day stuff, but now it's kind of like the same mundane, like not mundane, same stuff over and over again. We want to make sure that you guys are entertained. But again, if you have any topics, please let us know. Have a wonderful day.